Foshan Zetian Intelligent Technology Company Limited, located in the manufacturing center of Foshan City, adjacent to Guangzhou, is an air conditioner enterprise integrating research and development, production, and sales. We have good relationships and cooperation with well-known domestic air conditioning manufacturers. And the raw materials for air conditioning will not be inferior, and all accessories have undergone strict testing to meet customer standards. Up to now, our air conditioners have been exported to 150 countries, including the United Kingdom, the United States, and Mozambique, while maintaining a leading position in the market in Germany, Italy, and the Philippines. Our advantage is that we have a full range of air conditioner products, including split air conditioners, floor standing air conditioners, window air conditioners, ceiling air conditioners, portable air conditioners, and cassette air conditioners, meeting the needs of commercial and home use. Moreover, all air conditioners are certified by CE and Energy Efficiency Compliance certification to meet the requirements of different countries. We are committed to providing high-quality air conditioners and design solutions, so we have formed a technical team of 200 members, including an experienced research and development team, a professional engineering design team, and an excellent sales team. Now our production line can produce 500,000 units per year. In addition, we provide OEM services, including brand logo, label, and packaging design, and 24 hours technical response services for our powerful customers, which have been widely trusted. Guided by HJI's mission, Home, Joy, Intelligence, we are committed to creating intelligent living spaces.
This is our brand and owner certification. This is our display area. We have all kinds of air conditioner, such as split air conditioner, cassette air conditioner. We also have ceiling air conditioner and floor standing air conditioners. We have all kinds of house powers window air conditioner. Let's join in us.